So I'm headed to the gym for round 2 workout. Got my telltales on, so you already know that means it's leg day. So I am headed home. Damn. I'm headed home from my second workout of the day. Did legs. Just got from Wegmans. Got my water for tomorrow. Got my food to cook for tomorrow. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, yeah, I see my muscle jump. Ooh. I'm just bullshit. But, alright, I'll talk to y'all probably tomorrow in the morning. So, y'all, I just got done. Shit. I just got done with my part 1. My face breaking out right here. My part 1 for today's gym session was my fasted cardio, 45 minutes of my choice. So I did some treadmill work. I alternated with like high incline, reverse walking, and kind of like medium incline speed walking. So that's what I did for my morning fasted cardio. About to go shower, get ready for work. Zoom to work because I'm already late. My first actual working day as a sergeant. I'm gonna be late because I gotta get this gym life in. But I'll come back to y'all later, probably around my second workout or so. So I just finished my lunch. I just took my lunch supplements. I am working on my gallon. I'm out here, y'all. This gallon water expensive as fuck, but I only got this much left. But I'm drinking per bottles. I'm like drinking bottles. How you say that shit? I don't know. I'm like filling this up with that. Anyhow, I'm almost there. I can chill out for real because I'm gonna need this water at the gym. Huh? Yeah. Because I think I'm like 10 weeks out, so I'm going to start documenting. So, yeah, I'm headed home from work. Normally, I bring my gym clothes for my second gym session to work so that when I get off, I can go straight to the gym. Because I like to be in there when it's not too packed, so I don't got to, like, be plotting to get the machines and stuff like that. But today I didn't have time to pack my clothes, so today I'm going from work home, get dressed for the gym, then go to the gym. So I'll come back to y'all later, like on my way to the gym or something. So I was supposed to be vlogging all week, but yeah, as y'all can see, I didn't get the vlog every day, but I got a couple snapshots. Dang, car. You see me coming back? Fuck nigga. Let me stop. Alright, so today is my last day in like week 10, I guess. I'm going into week 9, or this is week 9. Shit, I don't know. I'm low-key confused. Like, do you count peak week as a week, or do you just count like 9 weeks out in peak week? Shit, I don't know. But my show is coming up October 13th. I'm happy with my progress. Seems like my coach is happy with my progress. We're moving. I've been carb cycling this week. And this is my 5th day in a row that I'll be drinking a gallon of water. Like that I actually said I was gonna do it and actually finished it. So I'm super happy about that. I set 2 goals this week, and it's Friday, and I'm already at those goals. My first goal was to break under 100. Oh shit, sorry y'all. My first goal was to break under 155 pounds, and when I woke up this morning and got on the scale, I was at 153.8. So your bitch is excited because she had let herself, get up there before I decided to do my show and hired my coach. I was at 170.2, I think. So yeah, I've lost over 15 pounds. it's so crazy saying that because I feel it and I see it, but it just don't seem like I had 15 pounds excess, which I know I did because I have more than that to even lose from here. And I've been smaller than 15 pounds less before. You know, I look good or whatever, but it's crazy when I talk to people sometimes about show. They're like, oh, how much more weight you gonna lose? I'm like, I don't know, because I don't know what stage weight looks like for me or where I'll be. I'm sorry, y'all. Or where I'll be. The lowest I've been in my adult life, 18 plus, or like even in high school, is 138 pounds. And I looked really nice. Back then, I think. I feel as though I feel like I look good now. I'm at 155, but I still got a long way to go. I'm still considered overweight, even though I do know I carry a lot of muscle as well. So I'm just excited to lean down and shred down to actually see what my muscles look like all the way, you know, because I can push a lot of weight in the weight room. I kind of always could, but I've never like seen my muscles all the way pop, like as far as my legs. Like I carry a lot of fat on my legs, so I'm excited to see. Because if you know me, like my husband and some close friends, they know that I say abs are overrated, honey. Just give me a pair of quads that pop. Like, that is so hard for me to do, because when I first started losing weight, obviously I lose around my face and neck and upper body and like stomach even, which is a good thing. I ain't mad like when stomach get on flat. I bitch ain't mad about that, but it's super hard for me to get my legs to pop. Like, my legs are toned. People always think that I, like, growing up, they always thought, like, I was a dancer if I ran track or something. I mean, a bitch can dance, but she ain't running no fucking where. But I ain't, dance professional or nothing like that. So, yeah. So, I'm excited to see where I will be when I step on stage. I've been practicing my posing. My coach told me my front pose, well, that's the only pose I've really shown her. She told me that it's good, great form. So I'm excited about that, because I've been watching videos like crazy, trying to study the pros. Because, if you know me, I don't half step on shit. So I'm really just trying to go hard, because I tell everybody, like, they be like, oh, you can just have it one little time, or oh, you can da-da-da-da-da. And I know myself. So, like, me, I'm a snacker. So I tell people, like, candy, that is my fucking gateway drug, baby. If you give me one peppermint, I be at 8:15 and not even realize it. And when we eat stuff like that, we don't even count it as being food, because it's so minute to us. But it got calories and sugar, just like, anything else, and carbs. Because when it comes down to competing, like, your macros really matter. So I just try to stay away from things I know will probably set me off. Because one of the biggest things I needed and wanted out of hiring a coach was just getting my willpower back, because I used to have very strong willpower when it came to, like, things I was doing, like strict dieting and things like that. But it came to a point where I was like, fuck it, hashtag YOLO. Like, if I want it, I'm gonna get it. If I don't want to go, I'm not going. Like, shit like that. So now I push through, because I tell my friends that I will not be the fat bitch on the stage. Of course, I won't be fat, but I want to bring a package that's competitive. Like, I'm doing a competition, so I obviously want to win. But, win or not, I'll obviously be excited for what my body is, because I've never pushed beyond 138 before, or like shredded down how I will be for the show before. So I'm excited about that. Excited to bring y'all along the way. I'll be doing a photo shoot probably a little bit prior to the show or right after the show. Yeah, with my cousin. So I'm excited about that because your girl got to take some pictures when her body is all the way popping. You know what I mean? Shit. But I'll talk to y'all later. I'm about to go shower and probably catch a movie with my husband. So I am wrapping up this week. We are going into 8 weeks out. Done prepping my food for the week. Got my food schedule on the fridge. I am editing the vlog so I can put it up for y'all from last week. So yeah, stay tuned. So I forgot to talk to y'all about my 8 week out goals. So this week my goals are to break 150 pounds. So that means get below 150 pounds. Lose another half inch off my waist. I'm currently at 27 inches. I started at like 32 and a half inches. Yeah, I had got real wide. But yeah, lose another half an inch off my waist. I want to perfect my back pose. I'm having a hard time with my back pose. I'm not opening up my chest enough, so I'm not being able to make my back muscles pop. So I want to perfect my back pose and pose at least 3 times a week for 30 minutes in my shoes, because y'all know a bitch cannot walk in heels. And I will not be the fat bitch on stage 1. 2, I would not be the bitch that look like she can't walk in heels on stage or fall. Because, bitch, if I fall, I'm putting on a full-on performance. I might not win the fitness competition, but, bitch, I'm going to put on a show for that. No. I also want to pick my suit color this week. Y'all should, if you're not following me on Instagram, you should follow me on Instagram, because over there I'm going to do a poll and have y'all help me pick out my color. When you do that, keep in mind that we not just going for, oh, that's a cute color. We're looking for something that's going to pop off my skin. And while the judges, I know I changed my hair a lot, so I don't know what color my hair will be for the show or how it will be. I probably will weave. I'm not sure, but if I keep it short in this color, I think a green will look real popping, like real popping. But yeah, so follow me over at Instagram at Libbi _label. That's LIBBI_label. And I'm gonna be doing a poll over there to pick my suit. And my last goal for the week is to lose a half a pound, is to lose a half an inch off of my thighs, because I really want to see my leg muscles start coming in, because we're 8 weeks out, and I know I'm gonna be on the stage standing next to some vets. So I'm really trying to get that done this week. Also, my goals are always to try to drink my gallon of water a day. So I was successful every day this week, so I'm gonna be successful every day the week coming. What else? One more thing I want to add. Oh, I want to add my apple cider vinegar back to my water. I've been really lacking or slacking, however you say, on that. So I want to do that this week. So I will see y'all in week 7.